HumanPal is an AI-powered video creation platform that allows users to generate professional-looking spokesperson videos using lifelike human avatars. It's designed for marketers, educators, business owners, and content creators who want to produce engaging videos without needing to appear on camera themselves. Light key features of HumanPal. Real human avatars features ultra-realistic avatars that look and act like real people. Each avatar uses natural body movements, facial expressions, and eye contact to mimic a live presenter. AI voiceovers supports realistic AI voiceovers in multiple languages and accents. You can type in your script and the avatar will speak it naturally. Text-to-video creation. Just input your text, choose an avatar, and the system will generate a full video with synchronized lip movement and voice. Multilingual support, great for global marketing with support for dozens of languages and voices. Custom backgrounds and brandings, easily add your logo, brand colors, text overlays, or use green screen backgrounds. No video editing skills needed. Drag and drop interface makes it easy for beginners to create polished videos, lice use cases, explainer videos for products or services, training and onboarding videos, educational content, video ads, and social media content, website spokesperson videos, personalized video messages for clients. Who is it for? Entrepreneurs and small businesses, YouTube creators and influencers, agencies and freelancers, educators and tree challenge and trainer e-commerce stores. Light summary: HumanPal saves time, money, and effort by replacing the need for hiring actors or using complex video production tools. It's a complete solution for faceless video creation using AI avatars that connect with your audience just like a real human presenter.